It's a very lovely day, and I want to sincerely appreciate everyone watching Fofolicious Food Bites around the world. Today, I want to show you a pasta recipe. There are so many types of pasta. They come in different shapes and sizes. Today, I want to show you how to make tortiglioni, soaked in tomato sauce and a rain of Parmesan cheese. Yummy! Let me show you how to make this pasta. Get your tortiglioni pasta, blend tomatoes, onion, pepper, vegetable oil, tomato paste, garlic, mixed spices, celery, salt, bouillon cube, spring onions, sausages, sliced beef, and of course, Parmesan cheese. Start off by boiling water for the pasta. Once it comes to a boil, add your pasta and salt and let it cook. It's time to make the sauce for the pasta. Yummy! In your hot pan, add a drizzle of vegetable oil, then put in your beef slices. Flip till you get a good brown color. Add your sliced sausages. Do not over fry. Add your onions, garlic, spices, bouillon cubes, and mix. Next, add your tomato paste. The aroma here is so good. Check your pasta. You need it to be 90% cooked because you still cook it in the tomato sauce. It's time to add some celery and spring onions to the sauce. Mix and add the blended tomato, onion, pepper mix. Mix it together and allow it fry a bit. Now your tortiglioni pasta is ready. Add it into the sauce. Mix and add some pasta water to loosen the sauce. Cover and allow it cook for about a minute. I can't explain what's going on here in words, but it really looks good. The celery, the spring onion, so lovely. And hold on, before tasting, garnish with more spring onions. And here comes the rain of Parmesan cheese. Perfect. It's looking really good. You have to try this recipe. No more boring pasta days. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Thank you.